behalf of whole Gitanjali family that you came to Gitanjali virtually, because now the technical and online world is going on, and you are going to deliver one of the very important topic which is related with the entrepreneurial mindset which is happening or going on among the students. With this, I would like to invite our director sir, Dr. Vikas Misra sir, to give away the welcome address and officially inaugurate this expert webinar. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Dr. Sumit sir. Hope you are good. Namaskar, sir.
Absolutely fine. Namaskar.
Yeah. Hope you are fine. Your family is fine in this situation.
Thanks for asking. Everybody's fine.
That's great, sir. That's it. So, friends, it is indeed my privilege and honor on behalf of Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, GITS, to welcome Dr. Sumit Agrawal, sir. I'm sure we now need no further elaboration about sir credentials. Sir, it is indeed our honor, and we are extremely thankful to you that you have spared your very valuable time in spite of all your busy schedule. We are aware, Arvind was telling me that you are occupied a lot, but still you have given your time. We are deeply honored, and we can't have a better expert when it comes to the theme of the talk today on the entrepreneurship thing, which is very relevant in today's context. And as we all now know by the profile of Sumit sir, he is a stalwart in the area of entrepreneurship, giving mentorship to the startups, to the young budding minds. And as we all aware that he is being associated with the various forums of MIT, Harvard, and with the current situation, we all are aware the situation which across globe is facing. And when we talk about in context with, particularly with India or in Asian context, the situation.
I'm not going to take much of the time on the current state because everybody is aware. I'm going to give you a little snapshot of the current state. So we say 2020 is the year of virus. State is in an economic depression. Why this depression? Because 27 trillion of USD of the wealth has been eradicated out of equities and derivatives and other areas. So that particular wealth is 10 times the GDP of India, and a huge wealth. And I was doing some kind of economic depression analysis of the globe, and I came down to know close to 10 million plus bankruptcies have been filed there in the US, and equivalent amount of bankruptcies have been filed by the China also, and Europe is also in a bad state, and India Q3 is going to be worst. So this is the worst. I always start with the problem because I firmly believe if there is a bigger problem, we have got a bigger opportunity to solve it. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to give you a little bit of more data-oriented problem snapshot, so that we should start thinking objectively how to solve this problem. So it is also a state of uncertainty, and why uncertainty, and what is the difference between risk and uncertainty. So I'm going to also explain you this. And risk is the area where we know the probable outcome, and we can probably do some kind of permutation combinations, create some kind of matrix in order to mitigate that outcome. So we have got the decision, we have got the budget, we have to figure it out how big is the impact and how fast we can recover and get out of that depression or the impact. Okay, but it is a state of uncertainty. And what is uncertainty? Definition of uncertainty is that when the outcome is absolutely not aware, we are absolutely not aware what exactly is going to happen in the world today, down the line, tomorrow, day after, 3 months. We are absolutely not sure. So, and this particular dislocation has happened across the globe. So across the globe has been crippled with the uncertainty. They are absolutely not sure what exactly is going to happen tomorrow, right? So that is because of that uncertainty, there's a lot of impact which has happened on the decision making. If you talk about societal, economic, or governance related decision, the quality of decision has actually come down, which has definitely impacted a lot of use cases. When we talk about use cases